Okay, I am a Loud Heart Street Grill. Every day, my jobs. Monday to Friday, I'm going to DC. Travel suits. 2 hours. I can get on top of the world, just cook the loud food. And right now, after work, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, I have nothing to do. Happy hour. And now, I'm feeling good. I have 2 martini, pear martini. It tastes so good. I get tipsy. I feel good and relaxing. Got more idea. Got more idea to you, for you. Come up something new. You will see. Follow me. You follow me. You're gonna see my new idea coming up. Okay? Loud Heart Street Grill. Sisu Ship. Follow me. Bubble tea party. Follow me. I'll show you what I got. Bye.